Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. If you have forgotten your password and you want to reset your account, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to tap on the sign in option at the bottom. Now tap on this login with email button at the bottom. Now in order to reset your account, you need to know the registered email address of your account because you will be receiving the reset link over there. You need to have the access of that particular email address. If so, you can tap on this forgot password link over here. Here you need to enter your email address. Make sure that this is the same email address which you used to create your account before. So after you enter your email address, you can tap on this next button. Now you'll be receiving an email from OkCupid in order to reset your account. So check your email. If you haven't received any email from OkCupid, you can check your spam folder and open the latest email from OkCupid. Inside the email, you'll be receiving the reset password link. So you can simply tap on this. It will prompt you to change your password. Here you can reset your password of your account. You can enter a new password. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. Again, re-enter your password. After you are done, you can tap on this save button at the top right corner and your password would be reset. And you'll be able to reset your password. Now when you try to log back in, you can use the new password that you just reset. So that's how you can easily reset your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.